Michel.
One of his business in a big way, she will return in a big way. He has money, that's why he in a big way, she return in a big way. So one way he in a big way, he put away in a small way and grow it. So I will put that in a big way where the thing will put you under unnecessary pressure, with a clear loan of 1 million, loan of this, loan of that. For what reason now?
Calm down now. When I got date. Only one in your head can. Oh, but how to be? Maybe every person get mind to do business. So.
Yeah, no, but he don't know, you don't know what calm down, but no calm down, bro. You do for that. Business, business, people pay me about.
At least man, not 6 months, 1 year. Changes very wrong there.
I think what less than next year. So put yourself under unnecessary pressure.
Therefore, you shouldn't do like that. You should just relax and calm down.
Or you ain't going to do no more duty. But you remember lectures, people. So no, only yoga. You can motion when your lectures. You found me to my genuine active. You can do more till the shower in so that no what. Now, see that one to distress your brain with that now. You never get anything. And all those things with that. Come down, I like banshee machine with it.
I did not target it, step by step.
Everybody God give am. Us God no give us in a big way, so we have to hustle in a small way to make am big.
And
Your mom that not in a big way they go. From that big that she have a Gemini clean. That's so like it.
in this life, we have to calm down. Challenges will always come. Life is not always sweet, though. The way we think.
But money from the young child. When it's not happy the way money is living. When they are doing my own. I say, it's hard. Where you come from? I'm not even when you're a car. I'm not even when you're a car. And then the aqua, the reality, the energy, I'm going to call you on the dinner, on the Saturday. Really, I'm going to get that I sent her 5K. They already thank God. Yeah.
This well. Why are they dragging this, my friend? Who?
Money for good brain. She never got reason and or money for good brain. Children can add. So they will do that. I say no. But it be here. Here, I'm not going to go here. And I'm only going to complain to me. They're stressing her mentally. At one point, to lose stable. And when am I going to get a panic? Again, that happen. I'm going to know. I'm going to be better. You pay people money and work for you. That's all.
I'm a different work, Irene.
If you work at stress, you may be panic.
Na fashion ganye gigeni kyawa no akizwa miana.
When you got no, when you got to look or get you at a day,
he should not put himself on unnecessary VNI before nobody will come.
Now this money wey I send you as 1,000 inside. Now another 10,000 where I save somewhere. This money 1,000, I'm going to charge you 1,000. She eat again. Then you just focus to make you every day we are there. But he don't know you will not be here. Look at hope. I can't imagine look at what you do to
Me a hope. Agbave one bio lam VNO. Hindi kimbi. Hindi kimbi kumo. Yes, kumo hope. God will provide. God will provide, so just calm down. You know, sometimes I'm only happy when I don't bother myself for so many things. I know if the thing is available, yes, we'll make use of it. But if the thing is not available, we wait till it comes. Because when you bother yourself so much, at least you're inviting problem to yourself. All those heart attacks, too much of thinking. So some things will happen, or some things will be, and you don't have any control over it. But there are some things that once they happen to you, you have control, you settle them. But when something that comes and you know this one, there's nothing I can do, you leave it. It's just like you are trying to get the mother and winter. What you that do it? The heavy, maybe the water is flowing. You just come. Oh, let me stop it. And you know that the water will just take you away. So why not just stay there and watch the water to just pass, and then you come back. So, man, in this life, we still have a long way to go, and over the one small thing and make you wingy. You sometimes you just look like a depression over now. You find this depression to yourself instead of you to dodge it. It will make it to be disturbing you. So this life I cannot come and kill myself. So me, if you have, eat. If you don't have, wait. When you have, you eat. Life goes on. Who is crying? So close to 10,000. She can you close? Who close to 10,000? Who close to 10,000? About people are owing me a lot too. 30, blah blah blah. Now that we're in the vacation, I'm just going to be here. I even need. People on Saturday, someone that don't get work. Let's see how she's doing. Oh, she be me. Okay. Because once in your now, you run out, she want to schedule again, you see. So tomorrow I'll go and tell them to just reserve one Vienna for me. Hello T, how are you? How you doing? Good evening, guys. Sorry, eh? Hi YouTube. I'm having a discussion and I'm discussing with you guys too. So welcome to my live video. Happy to have you here. If you are new here, please subscribe. And if you think this channel is good for you, subscribe. All right. And we're happy to have you here. Here is lifestyle vlog, travel vlog, and entertainment. Lifestyle, travel, and entertainment. So these are the things that you experience on this YouTube channel. If you are new, and sometimes I go live like this, I eat. Just this night I don't have something. I'm not hungry, so maybe tomorrow morning I will join you guys live and we'll eat as usual, as we normally eat. But if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. All right. So I just designed my shirt for my. Please, can you help me? Just show them to me. I want to show my fans, my family, my new designer shirts for my YouTube. Yeah, can you see? Can you see? Shima Variant TV. You see? I'm going to tour around the world. What you see here is a world map. So using my camera to cover the whole world. That's why you're seeing that. See? Shima Variant TV. Can you see it? So this is my shirt. I'm wearing one. You just find that they did not design something here in front. That's why you cannot see anything. But this one I made it specially for my beautiful wife. Beautiful white dick. So that's that. I think I will spend like 15 minutes here, then I will end this live video. I was just trying to test something and see how the live video at this time at night will be. And lo and behold, I think I love the turn up. You guys are always turn up. That is why I love you guys. Anytime live, you just turn up. I love you guys. You're the best. Well, I did a video yesterday. I visited a market. It sounds like a market here, where you have plenty mangoes. I'm still editing the video because of some certain issue. In that video, I'm going to do voiceover. Yes, voiceover I will do, but some places I will just allow it to flow like that, and you see the amount of mango we have here in Benue State. They call it broken. Some people call it broken, but some people call it Brooklyn. So I don't know whether the mango came from Brooklyn or is broken. I don't really know the name. So maybe I'll take time and then ask them, what is the real deal about that mango? Is it broken or Brooklyn? I know Brooklyn is, I think, is a state. I be a state or a place in America. I don't know. But no, it's in America. Brooklyn. I'm from Brooklyn, yeah. Okay, Brooklyn. Brooklyn. Is it Brooklyn or Blue? No, Brooklyn. It's R. Brooklyn. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. At this point, this is where I will say good night to you guys. God bless you. I love you. Have a wonderful night's rest. See you in the morning. Bye for now.